Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching my last video. I know if you watched my last video right before this one, you're probably wondering why I have the same sweater on. Well, that's because I'm trying to film a bunch of content in one day to make sure that I keep up with my regular posting schedule. And today we are going to be applying my beautiful, beautiful birthday wig, which is a couple days late, but you know, we're gonna get it on. So we're just gonna go ahead and hop right into the video. Fun fact, this is the first time I've done this. I have never applied a 13x6 lace front wig in my life. So we're just gonna see how this goes. I feel like I've watched enough videos and I've researched enough that I'll be able to do it. We'll just see how this turns out. So the things you'll need are, I'm gonna use this Gorilla Snot. This got to be glued because the black one seems to be sold out everywhere. I bought this pack of wig caps on Amazon. You get 24 in there, and then you'll need some scissors and a blow dryer. We are going to be using this lighter colored wig cap. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, I saw somewhere that you should pull it over your ears to make sure. I guess when you cut it comes out right. We're just gonna pull that up a bit. So we are going to go in with one layer of the yellow Got to Be Glued. Just gonna take it and apply it. I heard that you want to do that in layers so that you can dry each layer in between. So we're just gonna add the foundation from Mary Kay in the shade Dark 6 all over. Can always add more if we need some more later. But we're gonna go ahead and cut this. Hopefully it sticks. We'll get a little closer to the mirror. Ooh. Okay. Make sure I don't cut my hair. This is scary. feel like that's good enough. That's good enough, right? Now we are going to get started with the wig. Okay, this is her. The lace has not been cut. She has 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the very back. And it's adjustable in the back, and it has an extra band. So we're just gonna go ahead and slide it on. Okay. Okay, she's really cute. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right. Now we have to do the hard part and cut the lace. Now I heard it was easier to cut the lace when you're like holding the wig. So what we are going to do is we're gonna do that, and we're going to hold the wig. Ooh, this is scary. I chickened out last week. I was supposed to do this last week, but I chickened out. Did not happen. So we're gonna cut the lace into 3 sections. We're just gonna go ahead and start with this first section. And we're gonna start at the corner. Actually, I'm gonna get a little closer and I will be right back. We're back. So I decided to stand on something so that you guys could see the wig a little better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in the corner over here. Let me just close those back. And we're gonna go and start cutting the lace. This is nerve-wracking. This is honestly nerve-wracking. What I know about cutting the lace is you don't want to cut in a straight line. Otherwise it looks like you're wearing a hat. As long as we don't look like we're wearing a hat, I am okay with that. Whatever we do. And you want to get as close to the hairline as possible. I'm just doing little zigzag motions. Okay, got off 1 section. I think I need to switch to smaller scissors. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it to see if I even like that. Oh, that is not the center. Okay. Okay, that looks good. But I'm going to get some slightly smaller scissors, and I will be right back. Kid craft scissors, because my hands are small, and I was struggling to cut that with the larger ones. Let's go ahead. I can get down. Yeah. Because that thing is not comfortable to stand on. Not at all comfortable to stand on. Okay. We've got it on. I never do a middle part, so this is so weird to see like a middle part on my face. Alright. Okay, this is like the packaging it came in from Beauty by Ty. Okay, so my camera cut off, but this is how it's looking so far. It's not been glued down, but it's looking pretty flat, pretty smooth. So we're gonna go in and repeat the same process we did to get the bald cap on, to glue down the wig. Even though it's pretty tight and secure, we're gonna go ahead and use the freeze spray. So my camera cut out while I was recording the outro for this video, but this is how the hair turned out, and I would like to thank you all for watching my video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.